questions we get asked when we get an inquiry from a new client is, how much does it cost? What are your fees? How much do I have to pay? And often that could come up very early in the conversation because people want to know how much they're going to be spending on their accountancy services, and they want to see if it sort of meets with their budget in terms of what they thought they would be able to afford to pay. And one of the questions we often get asked as well as that is, why don't we have prices on our website? Which is more and more common across many different types of businesses nowadays in this digital day, because it gives prospective customers quick bits of information in terms of how much certain things are going to cost. There's a very specific reason we don't have prices on our website, and that is because every single client and customer that we have will be given their own unique price. The reason for doing that is that we don't want to give clients certain services that they don't need or won't benefit from, but we want to make sure that they are getting services that they will benefit from and that their business will make best use of. And we do that by using this pricing system that I'm now sharing on screen with you. And I want to just run through exactly how we use this pricing system to price a specific set of services for a prospective customer. And it'll give you an idea as to what kind of level of fees your business might be paying if it's in the same kind of range as the criteria I'm about to put into this pricing system. So let me just scroll down the screen here for you now, and you can see that what we do is we create a service proposal specific for your business, and we use some basic information first of all to start off the proposal. So we do it on the basis that you're a new client, and let's say for sake of argument it's a limited company. Your annual turnover is one thing that will have an impact on certain areas of your price, because the level of turnover your business has can be an indication of some of the complexities in your business and also the volumes of transactions in your business. So let's say you're in the 85 to 150,000 pounds a year range. Let's say the start date of your proposal is going to be this month, which we're doing this in September. Let's say your year end is August 2020. So next part of our proposal shows prospective customers the range of different services we currently offer to clients and customers. Now, what I will say is we are still building this out on an ongoing basis to offer more and more services, but this at the moment is the types of services we offer. For example, cloud starter services is setting up Xero and other cloud apps and add-ons for your business, really to make things much more efficient and to give you a cloud accounting system which contains up-to-date and reliable and accurate information on an ongoing basis. And that's generally a starting point that we have with many prospective customers coming in, is to get them set up on Xero, set them up in Receipt Bank, and look at other apps that might be useful for their business. If we just look at, for example, other services we can provide, for example, your Xero accounting software. And let's say you have standard with up to 5 employees. You may want to use Receipt Bank, which is for capturing your supplier invoices and receipts digitally, either via emails from your suppliers or using your mobile app. We can provide you with cloud bookkeeping services, so we can actually use those apps like Xero and Receipt Bank on your behalf to post your purchase invoices. So let's say you might have 40 purchase invoices a month. We might actually do your bank reconciliation for you on Xero, and let's say there's 76 to 100 items in your bank account to be reconciled every month, and let's say we're doing that on a monthly basis for you. We would also, on the back of some of those bookkeeping services, provide you with your business accounts and tax services, so your company accounts. And on the basis that we're doing your bookkeeping, for example, we would assess the quality of your records as being Xero, we do your bookkeeping, which is the best quality you can get, and that gives you a better price for your services for the year-end accounts. Because we're doing your bookkeeping, we'll keep it up to date and accurate for you. We will do directors' tax returns. Let's say there's 2 directors. The company tax return will be done once a year. We may also be running, let's say, payroll services for, let's say, 4 employees on a monthly basis. We would also be dealing with your pension processing for 4 employees. You may also have, for example, P11Ds for maybe 4 employees if there's car benefits or medical insurance benefits that the company is paying on behalf of your staff. VAT services, where we will be doing UK VAT returns using your bookkeeping services, checking them rigorously on a quarterly basis and filing them with HMRC on your behalf. We may also provide you with virtual company secretary services. For example, your confirmation statement if you're a limited company has to be filed with Companies House once a year. And we can offer you other types of services as well. So, for example, some things that certain clients want is they want to have quarterly tax forecasting, so that on a quarterly basis, after we complete their VAT return, we can give them an idea as to what their corporation tax bill is currently looking like, along with some tips in terms of how they might be able to reduce that bill on an ongoing basis. So if we just take that as an example, what you can see is that that range of services is $485 a month plus VAT. And the breakdown can actually be given to you as well in terms of it includes all your software subscriptions, it includes your bookkeeping, £160 a month, and the rest of the fees are running your payroll, running your VAT returns every quarter, and running your year-end accounts and your tax returns as well. We would also then have your £150 a month fee for your quarterly meetings to review your business, so you can see quite easily what the makeup of all those services are. And we can then, and this is why we don't do menu pricing on our website, you may decide at that stage, well, look, I don't want to do the quarterly meetings just yet, but I would like to think about it in the future. So what we do in that situation is we take that out of your package, but we put a wee mark beside it to put it on your roadmap for the future, so that you know what the cost is going to be in the future as part of this proposal when we send it to you. And if I go right to the bottom again now, I can actually just click on recalculate, and it recalculates your fee for you. So I hope that gives you an idea as to how we price our range of services for prospective clients and customers. It's how we price our existing clients if they want to buy more services or they want to remove services. And I hope that really gives you an idea as to the reason for not having specific prices for specific services made easily available on the website. And it's because it's not the best interest of clients and customers to see information like that then ends up bearing no resemblance to what they actually want or what they actually need for their business.